Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Ahmad Afif and this is my video presentation for Computer and Information Processing course for my CSC 134 lecturer, Madam Nurliza Saad. I'm going to talk about Dunning-Kruger effect. So Dunning-Kruger effect is a type of cognitive bias in which people believe that they are smarter and more capable than they really are. Essentially, low ability people do not possess the skills needed to recognize their own incompetence. The combination of poor self-awareness and low cognitive ability leads them to overestimate their own capabilities. This effect is named after researchers David Dunning and Justin Kruger, the two social psychologists who first described it. The reality is that all humans have tendency to gain this phenomenon, and in fact, most of us probably experience it with surprising regularity. People who are People who are genuine experts in one area may mistakenly believe that their intelligence and knowledge carry over into other areas in which they are less familiar. A brilliant scientist, for example, might be a very poor writer. In order for the scientists to recognize their own lack of skill, they need to possess a good working knowledge of things such as grammar and composition. Because those are lacking, the scientists in this example also lacks the ability to recognize their own poor performance. Researchers found that incompetent people overestimate their own knowledge and ability and are incapable of seeing the poorness of their performance due to their ego. Not only they are poor performance, but they are also unable to accurately assess and recognize the quality of their own works. Dunning has pointed out that the very knowledge and skills necessary to be good at a task are the exact same qualities that a person needs to recognize that they are not good at that task. So, if a person lacks those abilities, they remain not only bad at that task but ignorant to their own inability. And when someone knowing a tiny bit of knowledge on a subject may lead him or her to mistakenly believing him or herself already an expert on a subject. Dunning and Kruger found that experts did hold more realistic views of their own knowledge and capabilities. However, these experts actually tended to underestimate their own abilities relative to how others did. Essentially, these top scoring individuals know that they are better than the average, but they are not convinced of just how superior their performance is compared to others. The problem in this case is not that experts don't know how well informed they are. It's that they tend to believe that everyone else is knowledgeable as well. A few ways to countermeasure this effect. So the first is keep learning and practicing. Once you gain greater knowledge of a topic, the more likely you are to recognize how much there is still to learn. This can combat the tendency to assume you are an expert, even if you are not. Another strategy is, is ask other people for constructive criticism, which is a process of offering valid and well-reasoned opinions about the work of others, usually involving both positive and negative comments in a friendly manner. While it can sometimes be difficult to hear, such feedback can provide valuable insights into how others perceive your abilities. Next is question what you know. Even as you learn more and get feedback, it can be easy to only pay attention to things that confirm what you think you already know. And also, you are willing to say, I don't know or I'm not sure to things that we don't have expertise. It shows that we know our inability uh, in such expertise. We must also set our minds every day that we don't know everything. It is to ensure that we have the passion to learn something new every day that we do not know. Incompetent person tend to think that their personal opinion is the absolute truth. So in order to countermeasure that, we need to examine argument from our sides and other sides. And lastly, to always think twice before making decision. This graph represents the Kruger effect. Initially, we see that confidence and wisdom level is at low level, and then suddenly it rapidly increasing due to learning a bit of knowledge. Peak of Martin stupid or just simply peak of ignorance represent when they overestimated their abilities and knowledge. Next is valley of despair or valley of humbleness. As people learn more about the topic of interest, they begin to recognize their own lack of knowledge and ability. And lastly, slope of enlightenment is when people gain more information and actually become experts on a topic, their confidence level begin to improve once again.